With drones being so popular the last years, have you ever wondered how all this started?
The story of twin brothers Walter and William Good is the tale of pioneering days of radio-controlled model aviation and of scientific breakthroughs that helped make the hobby the sophisticated pursuit that it is today. Walt's first love was model aviation, and Bill's was ham radio. What a wonderful stroke of fate for RC aero modeling that these two geniuses were born together, developed mutually beneficial interests. For in the world of radio-controlled aero modeling, Walter and William Good are foremost among those who deserve to be called the pioneers.
This question came to me since I met with a good friend who owns an RC plane, and we met each other. I wanted to fly my FPV and record his flights with this RC plane because he wanted to make some tests. And all this sparked my curiosity to see how this started. I'm on a mission now to find my friend Nectarios close to my house here, and he's trying to fly a different type of drone, probably the oldest type of drone. Έτοιμοι για απογείωση? Μερακλήδικη προσγείωση. So, the birth of RC planes was a combination of the invention of radio control after the creation of the plane itself. But it was one problem. The plane was made out of wood, and wood took too much like precisions and skills to make it, so it wasn't available to the public. The radio control system was invented in US by Nikola Tesla around 19th century, and around 1930 when more materials became available, the years that RC planes really took off and became very popular in aeromodeling enthusiasts. And after that they started to running events with racing events, acrobatics, demonstrations.
For every model flyer, there are moments that transcend the ordinary. Special moments when a golden veil of joy and contentment is drawn across the mind's eye, and there is gladness in the discovery of a hobby as fulfilling as that of model aeronautics. The world of flight is enjoyed by students, doctors, mechanics, laborers, secretaries, men and women, young and old. It's a world of form and function, rainbow hues and gliding movement.
Also have a very interesting story from the father of my friend, that he still remembers the first time that they tried to strap a phone with a camera under an RC plane, and this was the first actual video from above, like the sky, from an RC plane. So kind of how the perspective that we have now for drones changed. They were making experiments, and this brings us to today's cameras, that they evolve so fast. And I've been flying like drones for more than 5, 6, 7 years now, so I had to search how all this started and share also my story and my friend's story with you. I will also have in the description all the links from the articles I found this information, in case you want to have more in-depth research. Yeah. This was my story for today. See you in the next story. Bye. Finish. Please. Please.